Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will tell you Samsung Galaxy A21s smartphone specification, price and features. So let's start this video. So friends, Samsung Galaxy A21s with 5000 mAh battery with quad camera. Uh, Samsung Galaxy A21s sport a hole punch display design on the front. So we will see some these smartphone highlights. So first highlight is Samsung Galaxy A21s support facial recognition technology. This is the very interesting. And second highlight is the phone will be available in black, white and blue color. So if you want to take any of this color, you can purchase. Third highlight is Samsung Galaxy A21 is debuted in the UK in May. So Samsung Galaxy A21s has launched in India, has the latest mid-range smartphone offering from the South Korea tech giant. The phone includes specifications like quad camera setup at the back with 48 megapixel main camera and large 5000 mAh battery. The quad camera are placed in an L-shaped manner on the top left of the back panel. It also has an infinity O display with the cutout placed on the top left corner of the screen. Also, the Samsung Galaxy A21 has debuted in the UK in March and is now finally launching in India a month later. Samsung Galaxy price in India sale date. So we can see the price and which date has come in India. India. Samsung Galaxy A21s is priced at rupees 16,499 for the 4GB RAM plus 64GB variant and at rupees 18,499 for the 6GB plus 64GB model in India. The phone will be available in black, blue, white color option. It will go on sale via Flipkart, Samsung.com, other major online retailers and offline retailer beginning today. To recall, the Samsung Galaxy A21s was launched in the UK last month for GBP 179, roughly rupees 16,500. The phone is slated to go on sale in the region on June 19, means today. Samsung Galaxy A21s specification. So now we check the specification. Samsung Galaxy A21s run on the One UI based on Android 10. It feature a 6.5 inches HD plus Infinity O display. The phone is powered by Octa-core Exynos 850, two quad-core clock at 2.0 GHz each. Processor pair with up to 6GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage. The storage is expandable using a microSD card up to 512GB. As mentioned, the Samsung Galaxy A21s comes with quad camera at the back. The camera includes 48 megapixel primary shooter with aperture 2.0 and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera with aperture 2.2. Also, two or more cameras. First 2 megapixel depth sensor aperture is 2.4 and one more 2 megapixel micro lens with aperture 2.4. For selfie, it has 13 megapixel sensor with 2.2 aperture inside the hole punch cutout. The phone pack a 5000 mAh battery with 50-watt fast charger support. The dimension of the phone. So if you want to dimension of phone, you can check out our description. It comes with a rare fingerprint sensor and facial recognition technology. So one more time we can see the key specification. So first is display 6.5 inches, processor is Samsung Galaxy A50, front camera is 30 megapixel, rear camera 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2, RAM is 4 GB, storage is 64, battery capacity is 5000 mAh, OS Android 10. So if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also, if you want to buy this smartphone, you can buy from today, and the today's date is 19 June 2020, and you can purchase from Flipkart, Samsung.com, or even you can purchase from offline retailers beginning from today. So you can share this video with your friends, family, and please subscribe us. Take care. Bye bye.